Welcome back. So now we have seen how you can design your carousel app, your carousel, make your carousel post. So let's see, how do you design social media posts? How do you carry out social media posts? So this is a sample social media post that was made for a particular organization, and this is for a quote. Just like we have always been doing, set your page to 1080 by 1080, then you put in your elements. This is a text element, this is image element. Okay, let me show you how I achieved this. So there has never been a time I talk about this. So let me show you how I achieved this image in a frame. So just come to elements, click on elements, then go for frames. Under frames, see all, then pick any frame of your choice. If you want to do system mockup, full mockup frames, you can pick any of these frames here. So it's there for you to take advantage of. So let's say I want to make use of this bubble frame. I'll just bring it here or anywhere I want to put it. You see something like that. Then I can now bring in the image I want to put on it. Get? So let's say I have this image here, this guy's image now. Just drag it and bring it to where you have that. So you can click it, you can resize it, and that's it. It will flow into it naturally. Now this is an icon. How do you get this icon for quotes? Just come to your element again, search for icon, or just go for quotes. So just click on quotes. So you will see different quotes. You can see. So you pick the ones that you like, any quote symbol. So yeah, if you are on free version, you make use of the free. This is the one I use for this. I just click on it. Then you reduce it to your desired size. So as soon as you reduce it to the size, you pick your desired color. So you can change it to any color that you want. You see now, it's as simple as that. Then you put in your text. Already you know how to do text. Click on text. Just make sure you try out all these things. They are simple, very, very simple. Canva is very simple to use. So click on your text, then type in anything you want to type. So, and change your font to what you want. Conservation for all. It's as simple as that. Then you can reduce the font to your desired size. You can see it. So it's as simple as that. So when you are done with your design, the next thing for you to do is to come to download. PNG suggested, yes. Is it 2 pages? I only want to print out 1 page for now. So just select the first page alone. Then you click on download. So I will go to my downloads now, and it's here already. So this is my design. Then I will post this on my social media account. It's as simple as that. So it's easy. Just try them out. Then what else do we want to look at? You want to design your YouTube thumbnail. Let me delete this. This is a sample YouTube thumbnail. And what you just need is to get the size for your YouTube thumbnail. And that one is simple. You can see, just make a search for YouTube thumbnail. Let's go to all design. Search here. YouTube thumbnail. So make a search for YouTube thumbnail. 1280 by 720. That's the size. 1280 by 720. So you can see, create a blank YouTube thumbnail. Just click on it. Then you are good to go. You can see lots of templates to gain some inspiration for what you want to do. You can see it. different templates, awesome templates you can work with. Canva makes it simple and easier. This is the size YouTube thumbnail. So you don't need to memorize the thumbnail. Just work with it and that's it. You are good to go. So this is the one I make use of. This one here. So I use this. I use this thumbnail, this template. I use it to achieve what you have here. I use it to achieve what you have here. So it's as simple as that. You can see, I use it to achieve what you have here. This is our thumbnail for our digital literacy class. So you use your own brand color to edit it to give you what you want. So I just edit this, click on this, change it to our brand color. I already know the color we want. Click on the image, come to photos, pick a photo you want, maybe computer, anything that has to do with your brand. Pick the photo you want and just slot it in. You are good to go. So just drop it here, and that's it. Then change your text. You are good to go. You can change your background for this. Put any color you want. And that's it. Change your text. Learn coding with ease. Learn coding with ease. And that's it. Your thumbnail is ready. Then you click on download. PNG supported. Good. Let me change the font here. Your title, sorry. The title of your design. YouTube thumbnail. Text. So download, and you are done. You can see I did this now in less than 5 minutes. You don't need to give yourself any form of headache. And that's it. You are good to go. Learn coding with ease. Your thumbnail is ready. You can use your own imported images and put it there. Just go to your uploads. Then find any of your picture that you have uploaded and you slot it in. Just slot it in. Maybe I want to use this woman image now. Let me delete this and drag this in. And I'll send it to back. So let me expand this. Good. And that's it. Learn coding is I've changed the image to what I want. And you download it. Download. You are good to go. So design doesn't need to be complex. That's the challenge and many people do have. They want to create a complex design. Very simple. Go straight to the point. Let the message be passed. Use quality and strong imagery. You can see one thing about design is human element is very strong. Human element is emotional. When I change this image now to use this woman image now, it has added to the emotion that comes with this design now. So when you see this and when you see this and you see this is very dry. You are not emotionally connected to this. But when you see this, it draws you closer. You want to check it out. So that's one thing about design. The human element is very important in design. All right. So what else do we want to look at? That's thumbnail design.